Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video, where I'm going to give you an update on my UGAZ investment. So in case you didn't know, one of my first videos on UGAZ was a video with a thumbnail saying time to load up on UGAZ. I said that for a good reason, and then I continuously give updates on my UGAZ investment. So I was up 300 plus and then 560. And guess what? We have a new number today, and I'm about to reveal this to you. And this is thanks to the disciplines that I follow that are very profitable and that everyone can do. Alright, yeah, so there we go, $1,000 profit right now that we are up on the UGAZ investment. And I'm going to show you exactly what I plan on doing with this investment. Will I sell tomorrow? What will I continue to do with this investment? Will I keep it going, or is it too risky to keep going, and should I just sell for a profit right now? So I'm going to discuss this, and I'm going to show you exactly why I'm making money on this UGAZ investment, and why my disciplines definitely work, and they'll definitely make you a profitable investor. If you follow simply what I'm doing, then you'll definitely be a profitable investor. So let's go ahead and give you an update on my Robinhood portfolio. This is the 1-day chart today. I was up $724 on the day. So yeah, that's pretty good. 6% on the overall portfolio. It's a lie when people tell you you can only make 20% in a year from stocks. It's been almost like a month, and we've easily surpassed that easily. In the 3 months to a year all chart, you'll see more than 50% total return on my investments, as you'll see in my all chart. And I'm showing you exactly here. I'm showing you all my numbers right here, so nothing to hide, all proof that my investments do work, and my strategies that I stick to definitely will make you a more profitable investor. That's why we call ourselves the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, because that's exactly what we focus on, profitability. That is the most important thing when it comes down to investing your money. You want to be making profits, because a wage makes you a living, but profits make you a fortune. So let me go ahead and give you a breakdown of the stocks that I'm currently holding. Alright, so here we go. UGAZ, my biggest investment. We're sitting at 521 shares. I would like to get to 1,000 shares if the price allows that to happen. And we're up $1,188.56. And so I've talked about UGAZ before in my previous videos, but in case we have some new viewers who will eventually become subscribers of the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, UGAZ is basically an ETF that tracks the price of natural gas. And what does natural gas do in cold months? It's in higher demand, which means higher prices. So naturally, this ETF goes up in the cold months. Like here you see in November last year, it went up all the way to 210, something crazy like that. And it only costs $23 per share right now, and it could go as high as that. Which, if it all goes right, I should be able to basically have a house by the end of this investment if I continue investing as much as I'm doing right now, if it goes all the way to 200. And so yeah, pretty much I'll be able to get a down payment for a house. And yeah, so this is pretty cool that this investment will allow me to do that. And then I have other investments here that I'm kind of testing in the waters. This is crude oil. It has been going up by a lot recently, so I'm just kind of timing it, seeing what I can do with it, and if there's money to be made in the stock. I follow very strict disciplines when it comes down to investing, and I'll make more videos later on in this YouTube channel on how exactly I do this. How do I maintain profitability in my stock positions? And yeah, so I've gotten pretty good at this. I've done plenty of swing trades before that have all ended in profits, and I've basically gotten down this to a science, to basically a few steps that as long as you follow these, you'll definitely be profitable in any investment that you make. So stay in tune for future videos where I talk more in depth on all of this. But for right now, that's an update on my UGAZ investment. And I hope that you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you stay updated on this investment. Thank you all so much. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.